Seaport are on time and in your places. I like it.
Oh, we sure are, Mr. Director, sir. And can I just say that we are so excited to work in such an amazing
Yes, that's great, wonderful, amazing. But where is your coworker, Clyde?
I have no idea, but he was probably with Josh. They're always live streaming.
Clyde?
Hi!
Alright, Clyde, let's show everybody on stage. Guys, now we are on stage. This is where the magic happens. I'm an amazing job, so that's Clyde. Alright, perfect. Alright, this is great.
Oh, there's Josh. Hi. How you doing? You're late.
Late for what? Oh my gosh, rehearsal!
Yeah.
I forgot. Did you know that rehearsal? You did! Oh my god. Alright, I'm so sorry, you guys. I have to go to our rehearsal, okay? Quick like and subscribe.
Hashtag, you're still late.
Hello, sir. Hi. Why did I just having some fun? I apologize. Why didn't you tell me he was up there?
All right, let's get started. You know why we're all here?
I do. Oh, this presentation is to celebrate 60 years of world-class education. World-class conservation. And
World-class fun.
Okay, let's get started with C1, sea lions. What are they? Who would like to take this?
Oh, ready.
This section is filled with information about sea lion adaptations. Facts, and more facts.
Oh, yeah. All right. Right. Next scene is about facts. Now, I know that's not our favorite, so let me go ahead and quickly look up some facts. What do you think?
Don't worry, Josh, we got this one. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are so excited to be sharing some amazing information about the sea lion. Oh, thank you for realizing that the sea lion is just like Seymour here. A lot of people do confuse sea lions with seals, and that's alright. They are related, but there are some pretty obvious differences. First, sea lions are a lot larger than seals. Woo! Yes, excellent job, buddy! You look like you were about 6 feet tall, which is you, an average of 6 to 8 feet for a male California sea lion, and you do look like you're about 400 pounds. Another difference between sea lions and seals is the way they move. Sea lions can rotate their hip bones and walk on all four corners. Great job, buddy, just like that. Now, seals do tend to move a little bit differently, so Seymour, are you going to show everyone your little seal impression? Nice, Luna. Now, sea lions are also very, very social animals, and they make many vocalizations. And did you actually know that they use their name for their very loud roar? Now, their bodies are also packed with muscles they use to catch their prey, and they have predators like the whales and sharks! Great job, everyone! Round of applause for Seymour!
Alright, well, that is what I call too much science-y sea lion stuff.
Wait a minute. Sciencey? That's not even a word.
Maybe it should be, because it's fun, right? Hashtag science.
Alright, well this stuff is important for us to be sharing with our guests, isn't it, Mr. Director?
Yes, it is. Nicely done, Seymour. Clyde, do you think you two can handle the next section? Sea lions, where are they found?
Yes, sir, we got this. Sea lions, where are they found? Where are they? Yes, sir. California. Oh, wait a second. California's on the west coast and we are at SeaWorld in Florida. Oh, wait a second. That's actually a good thought. There are a ton of sea lions at Unfortunately, there's not sea lions out here, but we have one more thing to do. Go behind you, look over that way, see where my conductor. I'm going to check these otter tracks out. These tracks look like they're otters or sea lion tracks, maybe all went the wrong way.
Josh, what are you doing out here?
Hi. We were looking for sea lions, but we had no. Yeah, obviously.
You're not taking this seriously. They should be taking it seriously.
Well, it was a little unconventional, but fun.
Haha, he said fun.
You each clearly have your own style, but now I need you to work together to demonstrate the strength and agility of the California sea. Do you think you can do that? Together?
Oh, well, I know Seymour and I can, so we'll go first. Great timing, Seymour. Lions have to go all the way to the speeds. Reach up to speeds of 13 miles per hour. And short bursts up to 20 miles per hour. Let's show them your speed, Seymour. Wow, excellent job. Yes, everybody, quick round of applause for Seymour. But that is not all. He also has strong pectoral flippers that he uses to launch himself in and out of the water. So let's show him, buddy. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Live stream that. That was really impressive. But don't worry, I also see mine. Alright, guys, go ahead. Dive into the water and show everybody what you got. Okay, dive in. Gotta go all the way in and start swimming. Yeah, there you go. Guys, you can swim so fast. You might go. Alright, you're very silly, and I love that about you. However, the new record is up there, so you're gonna have to spin. Alright, ready? So the stash your hair. What was it, Clyde? Let's call it freestyle. Let's hear it for Clyde.
Wow, that segment actually worked. But I'm not 100% sure why. I think we need a break so I can figure it out. Take 5, everyone. I can use this sort.
Nice cold refreshment, because I deserve it. I've been working hard. Delicious. Alright, now what I'm going to do now is I'll jump on my social media, because I have a few more minutes on my break. And when I say I'm going to jump on social media, that means I'm going to put all of my fans. Excuse me, sir, do I have enough time for that? Are you still up there?
It's over.
No, it's fine. Watch that. I'm going to get a net.
All right, I think we may have found a way for you two to work together. But this next scene will be the real test. It's the conservation scene. Seymour, you're up first. Make an impact.
Alright, this is my favorite part of the entire presentation. You know, children, they really are our future. And conservation requires that we inspire the next generation to care for our planet and the amazing animals that we share with it. Just like Seymour here. Seymour is very, very, very special because he has both land and sea, which is pretty cool. For this part of the presentation, I do need help of a volunteer. How about you with me? Yep. Come on now. Hi. What is your name? Abby, so nice to meet you. This is Seymour. Seymour eats about 15 pounds of fish a day. But we're going to feed him in a second, but first, we actually communicate with Seymour in a variety of ways. One is with our body language. How about this? On the count of three, you're going to duck down when you see Seymour. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, look! He folded it! Great job! Alright, so thank you. We are going to feed him, alright? So, come over here inside and we have Caitlin. Caitlin's time with all the nutrients that gives Seymour his energy. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this, you're going to toss it into the air, and you can. Nice and good. You'll do one more. Great job! And the same thing, you can arm the same arm in the front, so he's going to come back and over here, perfect. Hi, buddy. There we go. Alright, you stand right next to him. Perfect. Alright, look all the way over here, get over right there. On the count of three, let's all sing to them. 1, 2, 3. Do that! Excellent job, everyone. Around the applause for our future conservationists. So great, buddy. You know what? You can work your day grade too. Oh, gosh. Where are you? I hope you've been studying. It's your turn to make an impact.
Alright, Clyde, once again, Seymour completely nailed that scene. But do not be nervous, Clyde. I'm telling you right now, we are going to be fine. We're going to get some help. Hello, everybody. We're back. For this motivational, inspirational, conservational moment, Clyde and I do need the help of another volunteer who can help us out, alright? We do need someone who is very tall, really, really brave, and super intelligent. Really, really smart. Very, very smart. Never mind, sir. That's not what's your name? Dave? David, where are you from, David? He's from Brazil! Okay, we got us a friend. I love it. Alright, David, I know that together, so let's kind of work together and try to get such a great job of Seymour. So, David, stay right here in front of Clyde. Alright, perfect. Okay, when I tell you to stand on one foot, alright, are you ready to stand on one foot? Perfect. Okay, stay right here until you have one stand on one foot. Not really good. You have that, Clyde. Okay, that's it. Okay. Alright, this is going great. Here, try one more time. I'm going to stay right next to you. Okay, good. Stay right here. Now, down to it. You might see it. Good. One foot. Stay on the foot. There you go. That's not bad. This is going great. But you know what? That's fine. We're going to do something easy. So, adding more fish to Seymour. Seymour, come on in his mouth. Certainly you can do that. So, here, let me get some fish. Alright, take your bite. Alright, David, open your mouth. That's what's happening. David is sitting right here, and he's going to hold right behind you with your camera. On the count of three, we're going to say tuna. All right, 1, 2, 3, tuna!
Finally, you have discovered what has made SeaWorld so special for the last 60 years. Yes, you shared interesting facts about sea lions, and you had fun doing it.
Oh, yes, and we talked about the importance of taking coastlines for future generations.
And also, show everybody the importance of the relationship we build with our animals and care of us.
But there is one very important thing we haven't done.
What's that?
The finale. Every sea lion presentation ends with a big